Sri Andal so far had been viewing Lord Krishna as the naughty friend growing up in the Gokula. And now she sees him as the Lord of Lords, and she gazes upon him with awe and adoration. And then Sri Andal says,
கறவைகள் பின் சென்று கானம் சேர்ந்து உண்போம்.
"Oh Govinda, we are such simple people who just go and graze cattle, take them to the forest, eat our meals together and make a humble living."
அறிவொன்றும் இல்லாத ஆய்குலத்து
And as an innocent cowherd community, we don't have any skills or intelligence that could save us from this terrible samsara. However,
உந்தன்னை பிறவி பெருந்தனை புண்ணியம் யாமுடையோம்.
to have you living with us is the rarest good fortune that we are indeed blessed with.
குறை ஒன்றும் இல்லாத கோவிந்தா,
O blemishless Govinda,
உந்தன்னோடு உறவேல் நமக்கிங்கு ஒழிக்க ஒழியாது.
the relationship between us can never be broken, even if we try, for our bond of affection is eternal and forever.
அறியாத பிள்ளைகளோம்,
As we are all innocent children,
அன்பினால் உந்தன்னை சிறுபேர் அழைத்தனவும்
out of our love and affection for you, may have referred to you or called you by some inappropriate silly names.
சீறி அருளாதே.
So please don't get offended for our mistakes and don't curse us or punish us for our inappropriate actions.
இறைவா நீ தாராய் பரையேலோர் எம்பாவாய்.
But, O Lord, please give us the parai, the instrument of eternal service to you. And with that, we will attain the divine bhakti, O my girls.
கறவைகள் பின் சென்று